Hi everyone, it's Therese. I'm back with another video, and today I am here to share my entry to Esther Luka's 3 for 3 birthday giveaway challenge. And she's asking for altered coffee sleeves so she can hang on her wall. And I just started watching her. I think I've been a subby for a while, I just haven't been watching. And so I started, and she is so cute. I like how she says, come enjoy my little family. It's really cute. So this is what I made. Oh yeah, I took out the tags, but this is my coffee sleeve. I added some paper from Tattered Time. I love this paper pad from DCWV. I inked the edges with with just Distress ink, Vintage Photo, and Walnut Stain. Added an ephemera piece. Here's some Prima flowers. Here's a, it's like an applique flower from Hobby Lobby in their wedding section. And here's a bling purple. I think her favorite color is purple. I think. This little tag says to-do list, hugs and kisses, but first coffee. And then I added one of my tiles that I made with the metal embellishment with the purple bling. Here's a purple silk flower along with some more silk flowers up here. So you really can't even see the background of the paper. Okay. So that's the coffee sleeve, and then we had to make 2 birthday tags, and my birthday tags are not very festive, it's more vintage, but I did use this Martha Stewart punch that I want to say I got it on sale somewhere. I'm pretty sure I got it on sale. So I punched them out and inked the edges, and I did a little distressing. Let me do the first one. I did a little distressing on the back. I stripped some, or tore some paper from the collection, and then I added a sticker from Dollar Tree, added a twine, and then some lace, and then I added some lace from my stash. So that's one of them, and then here's the other one, and this one says hooray. This one says let's party. So even though it's vintage, it still has that birthday feel. And then here's this heart trim. I think this is the last bit of it. I've been using it on a lot of projects lately, so I'm done. I'm used it up. But I love it. I don't know why I used it up, because I really like it. But anyway, so I distressed the edges, added this trim. Here's some balloons. There's some torn paper in the background. There's the sticker from Dollar Tree that says hooray, and then here's some white lace on the top here. So I really like how these turned out. It's really cute and vintage and more my style than doing it. I mean, I like the other way too, where the bright colors and everything. And I was thinking about doing that, but I thought this was more fun and different and a little bit not out of my comfort zone, but maybe, she'd be inspired to do it as well. So, yeah, that's my entry to Esther's 3 for 3 birthday giveaway challenge over at her channel. I'll link her down below so you guys can go and check her out. She does a wonderful challenges and tutorials and, all kinds of good stuff. So, I want to thank you guys for not joining, but thanks for watching me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.